Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to identify or locate the group policy editor or gpedit.msc on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So perhaps you've been following a tutorial and you do not have that on your search menu results. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in command prompt. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and then run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have two commands in the description of the video. Both of them start with $F. So they're two separate commands. So just keep that in mind. Copy the first one and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Hit enter. Give us a moment here. And then once that has completed successfully, go ahead and copy and paste the second command I'm going to have in the description of the video. And then once that's done, you should be able to close out of here and then restart your computer. And then hopefully if you try and open up gpedit or group policy editor, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.